Welcome back to Nugget Garage. This week we're putting the VL on the dyno instead of alternating with some boring Supra that nobody actually wants to see.
We didn't get the converter anyway.
Oh.
Yeah.
This parts didn't turn up.
Next week.
Good job, Jeff. At least it wasn't Kenny. Kenny turned up.
Kenny did.
Anyway, so this is going on there. Scott's finished off a heap of little bits and pieces and it's ready for the dyno. It's not going to make a magical 1,000 horsepower. It is a non-turbo stock GE bottom, so
it could. It'd just probably be the last thing.
The last thing it ever did.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll get on here and get it going. See how it goes. It was built for about 650 rear wheel. Anything above that's a bonus. Anything below that is, well, stiff shit really, because the goal's basically about 30 pound and is what it is. So it's got plenty of good gear on it, but
so it's actually running on 6 cylinders now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because there was
yeah, I had a trigger sequencing problem. It was not counting the 36-2 in the crank properly. This is kind of a weird setup. Originally we were going to just use the crank sensor and run it in wasted spark, and then Golby came along.
Yeah, Golby.
And then everything changed, and then now it's 36-2 plus 1. Which, yeah, anyway, it's good now. It's on 6.
Yeah, and stuff.
So we'll get in and tune it.
Let's have a look how clean the floor is now.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. Landing zone.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
There's a little extension.
Toolboxes have drawers. In the drawers there's stuff.
That's more than it used to make.
She's lean. Something's hitting under there, right? You hear that?
What the hell just happened?
I think it's like at 14 pounds.
Jesus Christ, I didn't expect that. What the f***? I just shit myself.
Must have like 18-pound springs in it or something.
Shit, lean, eh? Where the f*** was that going? That was going places.
Don't worry. Running out of numbers on the map, so I'm just having to shuffle some shit. It's starting leaning, you know, like,
You better go.
only a half one. on the start of the boost control range. Something like that.
Just so you know, I'm pooing myself.
Do that. I don't know where that's going.
Where?
Oh, it's stable at 22 pounds.
What's that, 20?
22. I want to just put a bit more dip in the ignition curve there.
It's going places, eh?
It is. That's 22 pounds.
22? 22? Are you f***ing kidding? F***ing serious? Jesus. What's that?
It's not turning anything on.
You almost seem disappointed.
I'm going to have to boost coming in a bit slower because it's fucking just smacking the converter that hard.
Oh, okay. 22 pound. Sure. Kidding? Shit. Oh, shit. How much?
27 pounds. It even got my target end fuel ratio in open loop. And I brought the boost in slow. And I don't want to fucking break it. That's hilarious, man. Take a log and then might leave it because I don't really like to beat that on the Supra.
Oh, that's why we're pulling up. Yeah, holy shit.
Get back here, you little shit. Alright, so after all that rod knock, I've caught that little slippery sucker of a rod. We cut it up into little chunks and put it back in the oil cap and kept going. And got to 844 at the tyres. We didn't really intend for it to go there, and it didn't need much boost to do it, so it's pretty efficient.
Yeah, I've got nothing.
At the end of the day, it's a completely stock NA engine. It's got stock ring gaps, stock pistons, ARP rod bolts. It probably would go to 1,000, but it could also come apart as well, so that'll do him for now.
That's plenty for a street car anyway.
I got the boost sort of coming in, not all at once, and letting it eat a bit up the top, so it should do it pretty safely. That noise that you're all going on about, it's actually the 1350 uni on the tail shaft is not enough clearance for the bolts. We've already got cut down bolt heads in there, but as you decel and the diff moves to a certain location, it just touches. Yeah. It sounds bad, but it's not.
Sounds worse on camera actually, because the microphones actually seem to pick it up worse than it is.
Yeah, so I was hearing it every pull. I was making comment about it every pull.
Outside I could barely even hear it.
I didn't care. It's not my problem.
Wow.
All right, so what's next?
Well, not the Supra, because that sucks.
Fair enough.
But there's heaps of little bits and pieces to do to get on the road. Cause
You got to put your
so.
little tanky things in.
Yeah, we've got Dave from 180 Fad finishing off the tanks. They're pretty much mostly done, so you'll probably see them next time we see this.
I even did a, I don't know if you videoed it or not, a trans brake test. Did you see that?
No, I didn't video.
Yeah,
it. We missed it.
It's on the two-step at 5200 in about 3 seconds.
Yeah, it comes up.
So it's going to work. That TCE have got those converters down pat now.
Yeah, it's all over it. And this thing didn't even breathe at him.
No, didn't even have breathers on it. Didn't even put any oil.
Not even a mist out of it, which is it's because TJ.
And for once on one of Chris's cars, I have all sorts of engine protection turned on as well.
Yeah, that's really weird.
Oil pressure, air fuel ratio, fuel pressure.
It's not that my driving style requires that.
There wasn't a function in the link to protect the gearbox, but
oh wow, there it is.
So that still may fail. All right.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm bloody stoked. It's like, well, holy shit.
I'm happy because I can play with my car now.
Yeah.
Full time.
All right.
All right. See you next week.
week.